So now I've got this vanity assembled and installed, and got it in place here. I didn't bother hooking up the faucet here. You can see there's no water connected. Because for appraisal, they'll just take pictures. They're not going to expect anything. So this will pass an inspection, appraisal inspection. But I still need to. I'm not going to worry about that step being not finished. But I still need to put a drain cover where that tape is at. Over there, zoom in, we can see there was a grab bar there. You can see. Right. There's one of the mounts. There's one up there too, I think. Let's see right there. Yeah. So there was a grab bar there. I'm going to install another grab bar temporarily because I'm going to tile over the top of this when I'm done. Or I do this when I get ready to tile the shower. And then that over there, that's a 4-inch by 6-inch opening hole where there was a soap dish. So I need something to cover up that hole. Here I also need to put I lost the handle for that shower thing. I'll just buy another one, it's a chrome handle on that shower control. Then this guy here, that guy there, that's hole. When I tile this shower, I'm going to patch that up, put some backing in there and put some hardy backer board and tile over the top of that. But in the meantime, just to get through the appraisal, I'm just going to glue a soap dispenser. There it is right there. Let's see if we can get down to that guy right there. Just going to silicone that guy over that hole. And then when the appraisal's done, we get the refinance, yank it off there and begin to tile the shower. And there, I'm going to just silicone a drain cover over that drain.